Hello and a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Today we'll be discussing about number series for the preparation of NTA NET exam 2019. As we are already provided some questions, today we'll be discussing about the ways to solve these questions. First question is, look at the series. A series is given to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and so on. What would be the next number? So this series, you can see that the numbers are following a pattern. Here 2, and if you divide 2 divided by 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. Then 1 divided by 2, that will be 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 divided by 2 will give you 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 divided by 2 will be 1 by 8. So B is the right answer here. Next question. Series is 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12. This is a simple question where 7 continuing 8, then 9, and the next letter will be 10. The sequence follows alternatively, and it will be continuing by just adding 1. Question number 12. Series is 14, 28, 20, 40, 32, 64. Here, there is an alternative multiplication and subtraction. That is, the first number is multiplied by 2, you will get 28. And from 28, 8 is deducted. You got 20. And then again we are multiplying 20 with 2. So you got 40. And 8 is deducted, you got 32. Again you will have to multiply 32 with 2. It is 64. And the next letter will be a deduction by 8, that will be 56, and the next letter will be a multiplication of 56 with 2, that will be 112. So the series will be continuing like that. So first letter is multiplied with 2, and after that there will be a deduction of 8, then again multiplication, deduction, then multiplication, deduction. That's the pattern of series here. Next question. Check the series. There is 8, 6, 9, 23 and 87. So you must know, if 23 is becoming 87, there must be a multiplication. Without multiplication, you will not get this kind of change. That is 9, 23, then 23 to 87. This change is rationally high. So you can say there will be a multiplication. But multiplication, if there is multiplication, the digit will not be 23. So definitely you can say there is a addition or subtraction along with multiplication. So let's check now. So 8 became 6. Then 6 to 9. 9 to 23. The only possibility is that if you multiply 8 with 1 and subtract 2, that means 8 into 1 plus 2, you will get 6. Then again next letter is 2, so multiply 6 into 2 minus previous one was 2, so next letter is 3. So 6 into 2 minus 3, you will get 9. Next letter is 9, so 9 into next letter 3 minus 4, you got 23. Next is 23 into 4, again next letter is 5, so you got 87. And if you continue, next letter will be 87 into 5 minus 6, that will be 429. That's your answer. Question number 20. 28, 25, 5, 21, 18, 5, 14. There is a subtraction or addition because the number of change is minor. 28 became 25. Then there is a 5, and you can see another 5 here. So it will be a repetition. 5, 5. Then 28 to 25, 21 to 18, 18 to 14. So let's compare. 28 to 25 means there's a subtraction of 3. Then 25 to 21, there's a subtraction of 4. And 21 to 18 minus 3. And 18 to 14, it will be minus 4. So you got the pattern, right? Minus 3, minus 4. Then there is a constant. Then minus 3, minus 4. There's a constant. Next will be minus 3. So your answer is 14 minus 3, that will be 11. Then there will be a constant, that is 5. So the answer is A. Next question. 8, 11, 21, 15, 18, 21, 22. It is similar to the last question where there is a constant, that was 5 in the last question. Here it is 21. So 21 is repeated. So you can avoid these numbers and then try to find the relation. 8 to 11. So plus 3, 3 is added. Then 11 to 15, you got plus 4. Then 15 to 18 plus 3. 18 to 22 plus 4. Then next will be plus 3. So 22 plus 3, it will be 20, 25. Then the constant is 21. So the answer is B, 25, 21. Next question. The series is 9, 11, 33, 13, 15, 33, 17. So same relating to similar to the last question. Here 33 is given as a constant and the other numbers are changing. So 9 became 11. So there's an addition of 2. 13 became 15. Again 2. 15 became 17. Again 2. 17 plus 2. That will be 17 plus 2 is 19 and 33 is constant. So the answer is A. Question number 25. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 8. Similar to the last question, here also you can see there's a constant, which is that 4 is repeating. So just try to avoid this one and you will be getting the relation. 2 became 3, then 5, 6. So first two numbers and you are avoiding one number and became next two numbers and avoiding one number. You got 8. After that there will be 9 and next letter will be a constant. So answer is 9 and 4, that is D. Now let's see the next question. 17, 17, 34, 20, 20, 31, 23, and you'll have to find if there is any relation between these letters. So there is a repetition here. There's another repetition here. So there's a pattern going on, right? 17, 17 plus 3, you got 20, 20 plus 3, you got 23, and the next letter will be 23 again. Okay, so 23, and the next pattern is between these two numbers. 34 became 31, so 3 is deducted, and 31 will be, the next letter will be we'll get by deducting 3 from 31, that will be 28. So you got the two numbers 23 and 28. Option E. Let's see the next question then. 21, 25, 18, 9, 29, 33, 18. Here again you can see there is a repetition of 18. So just try to avoid these repetitions, and if let's check there's any pattern. 21 became 25, so there's an addition of 4. Then 25 to 29, again 4 is added. 29 to 33, again 4 is added. So 33, 4, we must add 4, and you will get 37 as the next letter. Then the constant will be repeating after each 3 letters. So 37, and next letter will be plus 4, that is option D, 37, 41. Next question. 75, 65, 85, 55, 45, 85, 35. Similar to the previous questions, here also you can see one constant, that is 85. If we are avoiding this 85, you will be getting a pattern. 75 became 65, 65 to 55, 55 to 45, 45 to 35, and the next figure will be 25, and the constant will repeat after every two figures. So you got 85 as the next letter. So 25 and 85. Answer is B. Next question. 84, 78, 72, 66, 60, 54, 48. I don't see any trouble in this question because just 6 is subtracted from every letter. 84 became 78, 78 minus 6, that is 72, minus 6, 66, minus 6, 60, minus 6, you got 54. Again, you will have to deduct another 6, 48. So next letter is 48 minus 6, that is 42. And again minus 6, you will get 36. So the answer is B. So the answer is B, 42, 36. Next question. 20, 20, 17, 17, 14, 14. And next letters are so easy. You get so the numbers are repeating. So next letter will be 11, and there's a difference of 3 between these numbers. So 11 minus 3 will give you the last letter also. So the answer is E, 11 and 8. Question number 34. 61, 57, 50, 61, 43, 36, 61. So there's a clear repetition of 61 after every two figures. So just try to avoid these letters. 57 became 50, then 50 became 43, 43 became 36. So there's a difference of 7, and you will have to deduct the 7 from 36. That will be 29, and again you have to deduct 7. You will get 22. So the answer is 29 and 22. It was so simple that there's only deduction of 7 from every letter, and there's a constant, that is 61. Next question. 4, 8, 22, 12, 16, 22, 20, 24. So here again you can see an interpolated number, that is a constant of 22 after every two letters. So 4 to 8, there's a difference of plus 4, and 8 became 12, again plus 4, 12 to 16 plus 4 again, 16 to 20 again plus 4, 20 to 24 again plus 4, and you will have to give a constant here, that is after every two independent figures there's a constant 22, and you will have to add 24 plus 4, you will get 28 as the last number. So the answer is 22, 28. That is option C. Next question. 40, 40, 31, 31, 22, 22, then 13. So the definitely next letter will be 13, because 40 became 31. So 9 is deducted, and 31 to 22 again 9, 22 to 13 again 9. So 13 minus 9 will give you the next letter, that is 4. So answer is 13, 4. Next question. 3, 5, 35, 10, 12, 35, 17. So clearly 35 is repeating here. There are two 35s, and let's check the relation between the other numbers. 3 is became 5, then 5 to 10, 10 plus 2, you got 12. So the relation is that between first two numbers there is a addition of 2, then after, in between the constants there's an addition of 5, that is 5 became 10. So there's an addition of 5, then there's an addition of 2 here, 10 became 12, and after that there's an addition of 5, so 12 became 17. So you'll have to add 2 here, so you got 17 to 19, and next letter will be a constant, that is 35. So 19 and 35, C is the answer. Next question. This series is given in italics. So 5, 8, then there's 11, then there is 14, dash, 20, and so on. So let's write it. It is 5, then there is 8, then 11, then 14. So you got the relations right. 5 is became 8, so 3 is added. 8 to 11, again 3 is added. 11 to 14, 3 is added, so you must add 3 here. So you'll get 17. So 17 is 17 here. This one is 17, right? 10 plus 5 plus 2, that is 17. So the answer is D. Next question. Look at the series 70, 71, 76 dash 81, 86, 70, 91. Here you can see 70 is added. That means 70 is in between other numbers. 70 is repeated, right? So if you add 70 here and check the numbers. 70, after two letters there is 70, and after two letters there is another 70, and in between 71 plus 5 is 76, then 81 plus 76 plus 5 is 81, 81 plus 5 is 86, then there's a 70, and 86 plus 5 is 91. So the relation is that there is a constant in between two numbers, and the difference between these two numbers are 5. So here answer is 70, option A. Next question, 1 by 9, 1 by 3, then 1, then dash, and you'll have to find out this position, and 9. So the relation is, I think the relation can be easily find out here from here. If you can revise it, 9 dash 1, then 1 by 1 by 1 by 3, and 1 by 9. So 9 divided by 3, you'll get 3 here, then 3 divided by 3 you got 1, 1 divided by 3 will be 1 by 3, then 1 by 3 divided by 3 will give you 1 by 9. So the answer is B, 3. We already did a similar question. I think the question number 1 was similar to this one. Next question, look at the series 83, 73, 93, 63 dash 93, 43. Here again there is a constant, that is 93 in between numbers. So we can avoid this one and count. 83 became 73, 73 to 63. So definitely there will be 53. So the relation was that 83 to 73 means minus 10, 73 to 63 again minus 10, 63 minus 10 will give you 53. So the answer is option B.